way that we kind of moved everything into the shop was like, I didn't think it through all the way. We moved literally all the tools, but we left the BRZ back because I was like, I'm gonna get it wrapped. Thankfully yesterday, Brad wanted to run over to the shop to do some stuff, so I just got him to bring home my spanner wrenches because I moved them. I really didn't think it through. In a couple weeks, everything will be sorted out. Basically, once we get everything fully moved into there, it will make a lot more sense and everything will be a lot easier. But right now, it's just kind of a shit show. It's freezing. That's one thing I'm not gonna miss having this shop is how cold it always is in this garage. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I hope you guys are having a great day. Today's video is gonna consist of me standing right here in front of the heater because it's freezing and this heater's not even that warm, but it's better than being cold. Today's a very big day for the BRZ. Today we are going to be getting this thing wrapped. We are taking it over to Empire Graphics. They're a local shop. It's gonna make the kit come together so much better, and it's just like, I don't know, I'm really fired up, and we're in a really cool state recently with like, when I talk about it is when I really realize how cool it is. And like, we went from kind of slow builds and cheap builds, all of a sudden things just snowballing and going so quick and so fast, and for you guys, I know it looks out of control. And there's a lot of you guys that are commenting, especially on the Genesis reveal video and stuff. You guys are like, man, you need to slow down. We don't want you to burn out. We just want you to be good. Just build your cars and make sure you get them finished. I promise you this all makes sense on my end. I plan these things way out. I have a very good idea of what's going on, and I'm not gonna overdo myself, I promise. Anyways, the kit doesn't fit 100% perfectly yet because we don't have all the bolts in there. So if you guys notice it's still a little bit janked, there's still a couple things that have to get done as far as we want the car fully wrapped and then like fine-tuning adjustments afterwards, if that makes sense. We're also rocking stock WRX wheels for now, so please don't judge me. They've been on there for a couple videos. I know some of you guys have noticed. They have the nicest wheels ever. Just waiting for this thing to get back from wrap. Take this thing off because it sits like an inch lower with the body kit on, and then these wheels are kind of getting flat, so like I couldn't even get the jack underneath there, so I literally had to take it off. Now you can see the line for this exhaust that's on there. That's like for the little valve that opens and closes it. Anyways, first thing I want to do today, I want to drive this car over there, obviously. Dude, my brakes are getting so yucky from just sitting around. Anyways, what I need to do is I need to jack this thing up. I need to make it just as high as possible because I really don't want to like scrape anything on the way over there. And then when we get it back, we're gonna be taking the coilovers right out anyways because we're putting bags in this thing. So I'm not really worried about it, but I do need it to get over there without scraping. I don't know what we were thinking when we brought all our tools away and then left this car here and thought we would be able to fix it. Coilovers are like Super C's. They've been on there for like 3 years. I don't think I've ever adjusted the height on them. I'm able to get it to spin, but it doesn't want to separate. The coilovers are just like super pooched, so that might have just completely rear-ended the idea of us driving this thing over there. Okay, the coilovers on the BRZ are C's, so there's literally no way for me to raise it.
Really?
Yeah.
Take the front bumper off and take the skirts. We'll toss it in the Jeep.
Well, thanks, buddy.
No problem, see ya.
Bye. But I guess it does make sense. If they're gonna have to take the majority of the car apart anyways to wrap it, like they're gonna have to take most of it apart. For me to just give them a little helping hand to start out, I guess isn't the worst thing ever. As long as we can all agree that we learned one thing from this, and that is plan it out. Don't wait till it's about to happen to start trying things. As long as we can all agree that this video will teach us that lesson, we'll take the car apart and drive it over there naked. Hi! I didn't even know you were here. It's so what?
Ugly.
I know, it's really naked. When Brad called me from work, he was like, yeah, we'll just throw the bumpers and stuff in the Jeep, which sounded like a good idea, but then I took them all off and we're like sitting here looking at them, and there is no way we're fitting all this in the Jeep. So we're gonna use one of the best things that we've ever done, which is this little trailer. Dude, we've used this so much lately. I'm so happy we built this thing. And I guess we'll just strap everything down in here. just kind of agreed that if I drive this thing over there, I'll just drive like obviously nice and calm off to the side. I don't want anything stupid because I don't want to attract more attention than I already will. And then Brad will just follow me like directly behind. Just that way nothing ever comes up. Like if we do happen to get pulled over, which I'm sure will be all right, but if we were to happen to, it's like very obvious, like look, I have the entire body kit right here, I'm taking it to a shop type deal. So we have that situated. I wouldn't recommend you just go doing this. This is not something that I recommend you do. But since we're going together, I feel like it'll be a little bit easier for them to understand if I'm like, look, I'm literally just transporting my car to the body shop. I really should just get a trailer. It's just like super late in the day and I didn't plan for it, so it's too late and we need to drop it off today. God, we made it, boys! Woo! We had to stop a couple times and fix a couple things. Hey, buddy.
Oh, I didn't bring the high potty. I brought the mini.
That's okay. Good to see you. But we literally took the whole thing off and just risked it and ripped over like this. But we made it. Anyways, we had to stop a couple times and we had to adjust the kit. I was like driving behind Brad and I could see it bouncing around it. Like the bumper flipped over at one point. Nice to see you again, buddy. I was just telling Cliff we took the whole kit off because I couldn't get my coilovers unseized. I didn't want to destroy it on the way over here.
You know what?
So,
works better.
Yeah, I figured because you guys are going to take it apart anyways, right?
Exactly.
So
we got to take it apart anyways. We have another one.
This thing, damn, I hate that I dropped mine off so weak, like with no nice wheels or anything. Like this looks sick the way it is, and it's not even in good shape. I'm gonna have to do something like this on mine too, just like hammer this in a little bit or something. He looks like he hammered it. I'll probably cut mine.
We did a V3 BRZ.
Yeah.
And I think we had to cut.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we had to cut this out a bit.
It also, the kit reveals a lot more. Like I had to cut this whole piece to like here.
Yeah.
So like if you'll look at it once you get it kind of lined up, like this sticks out like a good 2 inches. It's cool. Is this the color it's going?
Yeah.
This is nice. This is sick. I was thinking about doing one of these when we were like talking about colors. I was like, that'd be kind of cool, but I feel like a lot of people do that.
I've seen this color.
Yeah, you do see it quite a bit. Looks like this guy did like similar to what I did too. Anyways, I'm not gonna show you guys the color today, but I am gonna give you guys a little sneak peek. I wanted to do something like this, but I also wanted it to be like way different. And you guys know with the Karma kit, there's only like 7, I'm number 7, so I wanted to make sure that I had to make sure my color was way different. I didn't want to be like another blue or another purple. You know, the best part is I'm colorblind, so I don't even know which one it is. When you put them all in here, I don't even know which one we're looking at. So a bunch of these are like the new Avery colors that came out as of SEMA, I think, right?
Some came out at SEMA, 4 came out at SEMA, 4 came out as a summer set.
So they're all relatively new.
Yeah.
And ours is
new.
one of these. And I couldn't tell you which one it is by looking at it. Oh, let me just give a little like this so the light kind of hits them all.
Maybe 3 cars that have been done in this color.
Nice.
It's gonna look so good because you're gonna be like one of the only guys documenting the Karma kit. And then with the new color out,
Yeah.
it's gonna stand.
It's just a bunch of new stuff.
Yeah.
This is nice. I'm excited to get a hoist going in our shop, dude. It's gonna be tight. I want to get to the point where we have like 1 2-post hoist, and then on the left side of the shop we can put like a 4-post like that.
I think.
And just for
off-
storage.
Yeah, start off with the 2 posts.
Yeah, we'll start off with a good workable one, but I want to add. I just want to collect
Absolutely.
everything.
Yeah.
All right, buddy. Take care of it.
Will do.
Just like that, the BRZ is no longer my problem. Thank God, dude. Empire's gonna hold on to that and take care of it for the next couple weeks, which is good. It cleans up a little bit of space for us, and it's like just one less thing I have to look at that isn't fully finished, which feels good. But getting over here like took way longer than it should have. We ran into a couple issues and I was gonna go pick up like a new desk for the office or for the warehouse. I was gonna go do a bunch of things and we just completely pooched everything. Like we essentially spoiled our night because we took so long to get here. So the rest of the day is kind of a write-off. I'm just gonna leave you guys with this short little video. I just wanted you guys to be a part of saying goodbye to the BRZ and give you a sneak peek at the color. Anyways, thank you for spending your night with me.
No problem, buddy.
I'm sorry that everything's always a shit show.
Yeah, it's okay. I enjoy the show.
Sometimes you need a good shit show.
Absolutely.
It keeps you on edge.
Exactly.
Anyways, that's all I got for you guys. I'll catch you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out and stay committed. What's going on, guys?
Yeah, I was just working on. Oh, watch your head.
Yeah.
Oh,
Liabilities. You know how many times I do this per video? Just like run back and save my camera from some stupid place I left it.